Hey everybody, it's Aunt Cathy here. I had this little motif here by Haley Atwell, and it's a little applique, and I thought that would look cute on a towel, so I'm thinking about doing something with that. And then here's that little red apron I made the other day with the applique. That's Haley's design also. And a little pocket there, so for a child. And there's a little casing on the side of the bib, making this neck strap adjustable. But today what I did was added these stems in, just using regular machine stitching. And I made that go all the way down into the pocket, so when the child who's wearing the apron looks in there, she can see the stems going all the way down. I just thought that was cute. Anyway, that's it for now. I was going to put this on the blog. It's a redo, so anyway, bye-bye.